In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the download location for your Microsoft Store apps. So it's actually a nice and straightforward tutorial. You just need to head over to your Start menu and search for Settings. Then click on the Settings window and from the left-hand side select System. Then scroll down and select Storage. And scroll down again and click on Advanced Storage Settings. Then you'll see a drop-down called Where New Content is Saved. Click on this. And right at the top, you'll see this label, New Apps Will Save To, and currently it's set to the C drive. Now, if you want to change this to a different drive on your computer, then you could just select the drop-down like so, and go ahead and select your new drive. So that will make any future downloads download to your new drive. But if you want to change previous apps that you've already downloaded and move them to your new drive, you can do this as well by clicking on Apps from the left-hand side, select Installed Apps, and then you just need to scroll down to the app that you want to move drives. So let's say, for example, I wanted to move this Roblox application from the C drive to my D drive. Now, the way you would do that is click on the three horizontal dots and you'll have this option here called Move. Now, it's currently grayed out on my computer as I only have one drive available, but if you do have multiple drives on your PC, you'll be able to click this and move the drive location. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.